care about anything else. It's in the middle of its growth phase. Rob, what's up, buddy? I'm editing a Tesla video right now. So when you guys see my Tesla video come out, because I'm going to post it here sometime, probably during the next half hour, share it all over the place, please. Need to grow this damn channel. All right. People need to hear the Tesla analysis is what I'm calling it, guys. Rob, where have you been? Rob, I like you. Don't make me slap you. What news? There's no what Tesla news. Tesla's all news all the time. What you got? I don't see any news. What news? Tesla hiring leadership for dedicated battery factory. What up, LA? I just missed my video thing. Real baller. Not yet, Ellie. The trade has to fully work out. Andrew, you motherfucker. Don't you come back here when it's convenient for you. Convenient. Come on, man. We were all sad when you left. You didn't even send us a greeting card. We got nothing. We had Labor Day over here. We didn't get a Labor Day card or a Veterans Day card. We all feel like we got dumped. Now you're going to come texting us at 2 in the morning with sup. I don't know. Ellie may fall for that. I'm not going to fall for that. I'm not falling for that. Oh, well, why didn't you say that? Andrew, that's all you had to say. Dude, come on. No, seriously, Andrew, we missed you. Don't you ever leave us again. We were happy, like our little young friend came in here, changed our lives for the better, and then left. And we felt, we did feel a little abandoned. We missed you. I saw Ellie had crying emojis. I don't even think Ellie was capable of actual emotion. But turns out, he's still not. But anyways, he put emojis out there. He definitely put emojis out there. PT from 9 to 11 maintain buy rating. Guys, everything's doing PLL a little down here. Okay. Oh, it's sweat. You were coding. Ellie was coding so hard he's sweating. Whew. All right, guys, that's a lot of brackets I just typed. How many brackets do? All right, Ellie. Okay. Seriously, that would be the funniest thing. The coder's workout. Give me 10 sets of brackets. Okay, I'm liking that so much right now. Oh my gosh. I'm liking that so much. That is hilarious. Give me 15 functions. That's double space, not tab, double space. Everyone in the video is like, what the fuck does double space versus tab even mean? I love that. That's hilarious. Um, you got the Tesla you were saying of getting it. Yes. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Very, very fine. Is happy in the range? Good. I do still have some very fine, fine foods. Haven't bailed on it quite yet. Yes, I get it, Rob. I didn't see your other comment until just now. So deep inside, so deep in Tesla, only feet can be seen. Don't you mean head? Don't you mean head? Otherwise, your head first in Tesla, and then you're suffocating. Maybe that's where Andrew's been. Maybe Andrew got a little bit deeper. You go ahead first. Okay, yeah, gotcha. Hey, it's you. You know, maybe they do things different in Ukraine than in the U.S. You know, I'm not bashing anyone's culture, except for those Australians that just like leave for 3 months and then come back when Tesla's up 10%, 20%. Those, yeah, those guys. Oh man, good morning so far. Why 20%? What the what? Jeesh. Whoa, what happened? What happened yesterday to YY? Were they banning Ys in China? I think they're banning Ys in China. Oh, a short seller report really tanked him that hard? I'm so done with short seller report. They just come out with everything and go short selling report. Nikola's probably the only one that they had a loose case with. Tesla's was kind of funny. Yeah, Sonos had a good move up. What's the is that Sono? Is that what it is? Sono? Yeah, you know what? We didn't look at these guys once. So not on the radar, but definitely nice gap up. You could buy it. It's actually on a gap up rule. It's loosely buyable. I'm not going to jump on it, but I mean it's the options are just going to be too expensive, up 25%. But I mean, this looks like it could be continuation. I haven't looked at the fundamentals of it. I know Sonos from my audio video days when they started. They were kind of a game changer for us and really screwed us. Um, but you know, it's all good. I mean, it's nice to see them IPOing. And look at the weekly chart. That's breaking IPO highs. So that's actually a really good breakout for Sonos. I'm not sure if they're going to rally a shitload, but and it's possible. Donkey Kong had a really good day, really good sequence of days here. There's the 50-day moving average. So yesterday we were crossing that. Looks like we sold off a bunch, but we didn't go anywhere, so that's not too bad. COVID, well, just like everywhere else, Andrew, we're just riding the next up wave. Net, Trade Desk, NIO still holding up. I'm a little shocked by that. I got to be honest with you. I'm a little shocked by that. That's why I didn't buy any puts because it makes no sense to. AMD, what's AMD doing? Do I see them on my list here? They're AMD's okay. All right, you with two more percent. Yeah, you get you if you can get you back by the trend line. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to though. It's gonna have to come back pretty quick. All right, what's down here? Not much, just silver. Tesla Model? Oh, is that what you meant by model, Andrew? No, I'm not. I'm not buying a Tesla with my Tesla gains. That's short-sighted. Tesla's just a freaking car. I'm stacking that shit. You can't get a huge account by buying frivolous shit with your gains. It doesn't work that way. So I may do it with my cash account, but I'm not going to do it with my big account. Yeah, well, car's not an investment at all. No, I never bought a Tesla. Well, see, I was waiting for Battery Day, so you'd remember this if you came back since 2016. Um, I was waiting for Battery Day, like, okay, what are my plans for Tesla going to be due to Battery Day? And then Battery Day came around. They're like, yeah, we're 2 years out from doing all this stuff. And they didn't announce vehicle to grid, which I was really looking forward to. If they did vehicle to grid, it would be more on my radar. But since they didn't do that, I it's not nearly as enticing. Plus robotaxi, full self-driving is just in beta. It's going to be in beta for 6 months to a year. And I mean, you're 2 and 3 years out from a robotaxi. So I'm not going to, outlay 60 grand in capital to wait 2 or 3 years to maybe be able to rent my car out. Like that's doesn't seem like a good business plan. So, and then for some reason the wife kind of jumped off the car train a couple weeks ago. So it's really weird. So now Andrew's telling me that I've been keeping up with you on Facebook, checking out your photos of your vacations you've been going on. I missed you. I'm not letting it go, Andrew. Can't just walk back in here. Walk back into our lives. Solo got going yesterday. Ellie, you're solo. Andrew, I'm having too much fun, man. Look, I don't hold a grudge, but I love a good joke. This is true. Yeah, we are a smaller channel. That's definitely true. That's definitely true. That's because I just don't hype shit all the time. You actually have to like think on my channel instead of just being a schlub that watches 6 seconds of a video. The mountain in the desert. I was thinking if I were Andrew, I would have opened with that. I'd be like, dude, I was on the mountain. I told you guys to come. I've been there for like 3 months. What the hell? Where have you been? That's what I would have opened with. That'd have been good. But he did. I like the COVID thing with it's in the mail. That's also excellent. Can't be mad at that. Yeah, Solo moving in the right direction. Not really giving up any ground at all. Looking pretty good. I'm not sure if it's good for me, but for just general stock trading, I mean, the EVs are Tesla's gone. NIO already left. Well, I guess Tesla left first. Tesla's at Mars. NIO just went to the moon, and Solo's like, I think I can get there. So I think Solo could start to go as well. Um, yeah, NIO, Ellie, I actually agree with that. I think they will. I mean, they're not selling off. They're not going anywhere. No one is selling these EV companies. These have more legs, it looks like, until we see another big selling event. But yeah, look at that. Just nothing. I mean, don't quite want to get rid of my trailing. Didn't quite hit my target here of 57, but it was a very aggressive target coming out of 30. So you can't be too mad at getting 54.50 from 57. That's definitely within striking distance of the measured move. And then the volume on that candle too, just ridiculous. Biden's gonna be good for EVs? Nah, not really. He's not gonna. I don't think he's gonna do too much. See, the whole EVs are past government stuff. I mean, unless they look, if they say we're gonna, if they come out with some type of a rebate, that will boost. Other than that, I don't think anything will do it. It's moving faster than any government policy, other than handing out money. If they hand out money, that's one thing. If they don't, it's not. It doesn't make any sense. It just doesn't make any sense. All right, so doing good here today, guys. Market. Look at our dude. Our stocks are rocking. Look at the Nasdaq. It's flat. This is so good. You got no idea. Been waiting for a TQQQ entry point. It's almost staring you dead in the face right here. Like seriously, because we're not going anywhere. We got most of our stocks moving up, especially the EVs and stuff. Apple, not looking super hot. Not bad, but actually getting really low volume. So that's actually good. I recant my statement. Amazon, are you going to go low volume too? A little bit low volume. Starting to point in the wrong direction, which is what's keeping the market down. But guys, they can shift that into buying pressure in a split second as soon as they, have a bunch of this stuff. They're just eating all of this stuff. Space. Ooh, I was so close to getting into a space position yesterday. I'm not quite sure what I want to do with it, but yeah, I really think space is setting up to launch. That could be a subconscious pun I just pulled off. I have no idea, but the point remains. About what is that? $25, and this thing is through a bunch of resistance right here, and it is gone. I'm actually really, really liking this. Don't have any positions yet, but definitely thinking about it. It's like Tesla's starting a little bit of a move up. NIO up 4%. So guys, the market's in our favor. Market's in our favor right now, so you guys should have positions. I like it. Working really good. Let me finish editing my video. I was trying to finish before the stream, but didn't really work out. All right. Now I just have to render it and send it out. So I'm gonna do a public video on the Real Stocks channel, which is pretty rare. If you guys do see it, I hope you do. Please share it. It's gonna be a good one. All right, so let's see if I can stream and render at the same time. Shouldn't be an issue. There we go. All right, NASDAQ flat essentially. Tesla's up a little bit, NIO. All right. And my kids are screaming in the background, playing with the dog that likes to eat them. Hold on a second, guys. I'll be right back. All right. Eyes back. Randy, what are your thoughts on high volume red day yesterday on GDLC? I don't know. This is a bit of an anomaly. I'm not exactly sure what to make of it. I mean, it's definitely interesting that it hasn't rallied in 3-4 months, considering that Bitcoin's up a shit ton, Litecoin's up a ton. And well, those are the only two. I guess XRP's up a little bit too. I'm not sure in that time frame, but I don't know, man. It's definitely interesting. It's not high volume yesterday. The volumes lately have been increasing, so I don't think that's an anomaly by any stretch. I think at some point we'll wind up with a nice big pocket pivot here, and well, actually we've already had several pocket pivots. One there, so 2 pocket pivots in a row right off the low. And so I think it's biding its time. See, I told you I use that not just with Joe Biden in the election. I think it's just biding its time, and I think it is likely to move up. Bitcoin's doing pretty good. So Litecoin, boom, 8%. Thank you. I was nervous yesterday. But Bitcoin's doing great. I see no reason. I see no reason why this. But it's defying logic already, so it's hard to say that it's going to move. But it should move if it's actually 66% Bitcoin. This is the most undervalued thing in the market by a long shot. The question is, why haven't they bought it? And that is probably more of the reason. Yeah, very weird. Very, very weird. Grayscale, Ethereum Trust becomes SEC reporting company. 1 billion in new investments. I wonder if they're just going all to Bitcoin and they don't even care about this, because GBTC and those are all towards the top of our list lately. There's GBTC right there. These have been at the top of our list. So is the, is it LTCN or whatever it is? That's got to be up a bunch today. And so Litecoin's up 8%. This thing's down today for what? Says it's flat. That doesn't seem right according to the chart. But you get my gist. You get my gist. So you're managing someone's account and they have 9 to 10 stocks and energy all beat to pulp this year. You took over someone's account? Because I know you didn't put them in energy stocks. Sheesh. Yeah, doesn't it make you feel sad, Ellie? I'm with you. Yeah. People shouldn't be losing money in the markets, man. Fucking energy. Yeah, you don't want to be in energy. It's the worst thing. All right, so it looks like my my render came through. I wonder if I can I stream and upload at the same time on YouTube? Is YouTube capable of that? I'm pretty sure it is. FCell? Jesus majesus. Wow. Yeah, I would say so. This thing just starting also. Didn't we look at this? Did we look at this one? Was this one like 385 million market cap? I don't remember. I actually used to trade FCell. I don't remember when. I could be wrong. I traded one of them. Maybe it was Plug. I think it was, I did trade Plug Power. Thoughts on business majors? I'm thinking of doing extended marketing and doing economics as a sub major. Marketing is a difficult field. Talk to Ellie about some of that marketing tech stuff. If you're doing tech marketing, I don't know, but marketing's tough, from what I heard. Just do something you're going to enjoy doing that actually has a decent salary range, and then the rest will kind of you'll find no matter what you do, you're going to end up finding various opportunities that in your field and slightly outside of your field, which could be a good thing. So you'll just have to play with it. Yeah, too much BS. Well, the whole marketing is very artsy. There's a lot of people that try to get into marketing. They don't even have a degree. So I would personally, I would look at careers in that specific field, and go from there. You talk to, like we said last time, talk to a bunch of people, and then that's what Ellie said. Ellie said talk to a bunch of people. I agree with that. Talk to a bunch of people and get different perspectives and see what the degree means to the employer. And see what it's going to do for you in the long run. Well, what did they say, Andrew? I like to inform my opinions based on other people's opinions too. So all right. It's What'd Rob say? It's all the ones I've watched for but forgot about. See, that's why I need 365 positions so I can have one run per day. See, I have the flip side of that. This is what I have. I said I will forego 364 positions, and the one day I'm aligned with Tesla and buy it at the bottom, my whole account will be up like 600%. So, on one side is six one half dozen, the other is like 17 dozens. You know, just a flip side of the thing. You know what? Fine, Ellie. Fine. Damn it. But it's like a it's that constant struggle, Ellie. The fact that I am never happy that makes that one day that I'm happy so nice. Versus Rob's like, I'm just happy all the time. I fucking hate my life. This is too much happy. It's like Trump's presidency. I'm winning so much. There's just so much winning going on. What? I lost my job? Okay, yeah. But I'm winning. I'm just winning so much. So much winning. Creative intelligence and innovation. Ooh, that actually sounds cool. You know what I would like. You know what I think would be really fun. It just I, I don't know where you get these degrees, but they're like because I like building stuff. I'm a builder, and they have these design engineering degrees or something like that, where you basically can engineer and design products. I think that would be for me that would be awesome because I love to build stuff, and I don't hate design at all. I like to design stuff. I just never focused on it, but I think that would be amazing. So creative intelligence and innovation kind of sounds a little bit like that. That does sound like a cool degree. I'm just not sure what you do with it. You build ideas. That's cool. I've always wanted to be in a think tank. They probably wouldn't consider me smart enough to be in a think tank, but I think that would be fun. I actually did some looking around one day for think tank, but couldn't find much. Couldn't find anything. All right, so let's see. What are some tags I should use for my Tesla video? I got Tesla, TSLA, Apple, Tesla Roadsters, Tesla Semi, Tesla News, Tesla 1000, Tesla, Elon Musk, stocks, trading, Moon, Lambo, true. All right, that's probably good for right now. Not like I'm actually gonna get any views on this thing, but all right. So I'm gonna go into the chat. I'm gonna post it in stocks. It won't be live for a little bit, but I'll let you guys know when it gets up there. Public. All right. So just made a video, technical analysis on Tesla. If you guys haven't seen it, it should be live in about 15 minutes, given YouTube's processing time and stuff like that. It's not too long. I think it's like 9 or 10 minutes. Hope I didn't mess up. Hope I didn't mess up the editing. Oh, EVs. Yeah. Thanks, Andrew. Yeah, I forgot about EVs. Good job. See, that's why I need the young kid in here. EVs, EVS, um, electric vehicles, Model 3, Model Y, Model Y, Model 3, Model S. It's uploaded? Oh, okay. Model S is just models. I didn't realize that. That's funny. All right, market 0.15%. Tesla just happy chilling where it's at, which is fine with me. We got 9 months on Tesla to make a shit fuck ton of money. That is a legitimate number, by the way. Google that. I think that would work okay. All right. Have to save that? Yeah, there we go. There's a save button. All right, guys. Was it 8 o'clock now? Cool, cool. Well, Andrew, I gotta say, man, this is a fine level, just under 500. It's as good as you're gonna get for the next run. So if you didn't watch those videos, Tesla's basically gonna go to 900 to 1,000 from here. That's my take on it, and sticking to it. I see zero reason to deviate from that. Less than zero. All right. Looks like Tesla bobbling around 500 here. We'll see some distribution apparently. What else is working? Roku's up 6%. Roku's been choppy but unable to drop lower. Support at the 50-day. And then boom, huge bounce right off of that 50-day. I like those 50-day bounces. GLDC, NIO looks like it's having a decent day. We talked about Donkey Kong coming back, which it's doing. Which I think that's good. XPEV is up here as well. XPEV in that symmetrical triangle, Rob. I think you mentioned that yesterday. So that's looking good. Yeah, this thing could almost be ready for the next leg. Need a little more volume interest. EXPI, Beyond Meat, we get to more manageable. CELH is holding up here very nicely. Super, super nicely. I really like that. NVIDIA, earnings, I guess, weren't that good. So the stock dropped a little bit. I guess they weren't good enough. For guidance, I didn't follow the news too much. But they did have earnings yesterday. I think NVIDIA's probably seeing some weakness because a lot of companies are doing their own chips now. Tesla's doing their own chip. Google's had their own chips for what, 5 or 6 years now. Apple now has their own chip, integrated graphics, and I saw some reviews. I think I posted it in stocks if you guys are interested. I posted a review of the new Apple laptop by The Verge. Good reviews, pretty good reviews. So they ran even on the Air. They had the exact same thing on all the different both laptops, and they don't talk about the Mac Mini, but the Mac Mini also has the exact same because it's the same chip. So they were talking like we were talking, Ellie, about wondering what they're going to do with the M2 and stuff like that. But they don't do hardcore development like you do, but they had no issues with it at all. They said if you don't plan on doing something that's CPU intensive for like 10 plus minutes, there's no need to get the Pro. No need to get the Pro. So, all right, guys, I think I'm gonna get out of here. It's about 8:05. I gotta do my show at 8:30. So yeah, guys, if you see that video, I have that posted in Slack. Check it out. Please please leave a comment. Please share it on your favorite Reddit subthread. It's a pretty good video. I don't know who's gonna believe me. I missed out on a couple of things, but if I don't pop the content out, it won't get out there anyway. So, all right, guys, have a good day. I will see you all tomorrow. Andrew, we'll see you in like March, something like that. All right, buddy. Have a good day. Bye, guys.